What's going on over here?
Just scraping some gaskets.
Scraping some gaskets. Looks like you did some cleaning on your head.
Oh, yeah. Cleaned some carbon.
Looks pretty good. Looks like it's ready for some new valves. Okay, so 230, we have Kinetic gasket kit. Came with 2 new valve seals. That's great. Here's our Pro X piston. And we're able to get these Pro X Jap spec valves. These are even cheaper than Honda OEM. So actually able to get everything we needed to fix the CRF230 for about 150 bucks. Top end kit, piston kit, 2 valves. So Krista's been working on that this evening. She's got the head pretty much ready. We just got to lap in the new valves. Just getting the cylinder prepped now. There's still a little bit of scarring, but we're going to roll with it. I don't think it's bad enough. I've seen worse scarring in race bikes, and this is far from that. So I think it'll be okay. Scrape this gasket off, and we have to take the old piston off, put it on, and then we'll be ready to build this motor. What I like about these motors is we can set it up on the bench over there in the good light and pretty much get the whole thing together and ready to run over there on the bench, and then just put it in the bike, and won't be 20 or 30 minutes. It'll be ready to start up. So that's really cool. So maybe this weekend or something, we can get that done.
Baby free night. Getting some garage work done.
Yeah, we the little ones with the grandparents this weekend, so or tonight. So figure we jump out here and try to get a little bike work done. This is a customer's YZ250. I just did the forks on it, the shock, and the linkage. Just got it thrown back together. It's after 9 o'clock. About to call it. Yep, getting ready to call it a night. How excited are you to rip the 230 on single track?
Very excited to smoke you.
Yeah. All right. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.